It's a 2015 Lexus GS 350. Its seductive elegance will take hold of you. Its performance will whisk you away. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, power telescoping steering column, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and V6 engine. Cars.com reports the new GS's impressive blend of nimble handling, quiet road manners, intriguing looks, and high-level interior seem like the perfect blueprint for the brand's future. Lexus, performance in every detail. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.